Mr. VQ.
I'm not sure. You coming to Walkie, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he'll be cubed.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. I'm already coming up to him now. Coming up to the cameras and I'm halfway up his trailer. And what, buddy? And what? Yeah, walk the walk, mate. Walk the walk. Come on. Yeah, you can't. Oh, you must have heard that one, you bastard. Hey, mate, I told you. You gotta walk the walk. The 620's got it, mate. I'll catch you.
I'll let it take off down the hill.
Yeah, probably will. Just to really piss him off. Let's put it into power mode as well. Well, that wasn't in power mode. Now let's do power mode. Come on, girl. Come on. Oh, he's still behind me. He's still behind me. Back way, mate. I'm coming over. We've got a car behind us. I'm moving over to your lane. Oh, this is fun. I miss doing this. When me and you were running the north. It's always good having someone to keep you company.
I'll call you back in. It's been good.
Oh, sweet. Right, so. I told you the 620 will get you on the hills.